Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and this color fill. Kids, first colors name kids: green color, brown color, orange color, blue color, yellow color, red color. Kids, shapes drawing: green color, star. Kids, star, heart. Kids, heart, triangle, octagon, square, circle, orange color, star, yellow color, heart, green color, triangle, green color, triangle, red color kids, octagon, red color kids, octagon, blue color kids, blue color kids, blue color kids, square, brown color kids, brown color kids, circle, star, heart, triangle, octagon, square, circle. Kids, like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.